What it do, YouTube? Yo, I look like Kimbo Slice with this damn beard. Hey, anyways, what it do, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you watched yesterday's video, you know that I picked up this film camera. Yesterday I didn't even say what kind of camera it was, but it is a Ricoh XR7. I'm not sure if that's even in focus, but a Ricoh XR7. I also picked up two other ones with this. The guy gave me three cameras for $100, which now that I'm thinking about it, I should have just bought one for like $30 and spent the rest of that money on film. But anyways, I got this Ricoh XR7. I got a Pentax ME Super, and then he gave me a Canon Canonet 28. And yeah, so right now I'm testing out the Ricoh XR7. And then after I see how I like this camera, I will try out the other ones. Today I'm gonna be going out and just finishing the roll basically. I'm not sure how many rolls I have left. How many shots I have left. My counter is saying 36. I don't know if you can see that, but it's saying 36. And I don't know what I did wrong, but I did something wrong when I loaded the film, and that counter never changed. So hopefully the film is working and everything is good, but I guess we'll find out later today. But let's head out. I'm gonna have a GoPro strapped to my chest, and this will just be like a photo walk, a POV street photography type video. And yeah, I'm just practicing, learning how to use this thing. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's head out. guys saw, I just finished the roll. This will be my first time seeing the film photo, so that's pretty exciting. Hopefully everything came out good. Tomorrow I will be trying out the Pentax ME Super. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to subscribe so you can be notified when I drop the next video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.